Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Before I start the video, they want to say please like, subscribe, and comment. If you want to join the Patreon, you can join at patreon.com/but I'm not a trader. This is going to be a little different video. This is basically going to be a sauce video of essentially what I do. You know, I'm in the bathroom right now and I do this every single day in the morning. I go through all these stocks to just see which ones are actually kind of like a pre-market preparation and see which ones are ready to kind of break out, right? And obviously use the breakout strategy for things like that. So, like right now, I'm gonna do this at a very high level and just so I have like a real good understanding of where I think the market is gonna go high level, right? So as of right now, Tesla looks like it's going back to 162. Nvidia, Nvidia looks like it might have hit a top here at 941, right? It's gonna be closing this, and yeah, definitely short like Nvidia, short this down to 899. Apple. Apple looks like a short down to 168. AMD, let me see, is that on a fib? Maybe it's a little bit higher level here. AMD, yeah, AMD down to 420, or this is Microsoft, sorry. Was that Microsoft or AMD? Oh, AMD for sure. AMD for sure short to 160, right? Microsoft a short to 420. Ooh, Amazon, do I have anything on Amazon? Yeah, Amazon rejecting. Did it break? I don't think Amazon actually broke. Fine. 24 hour, 4 hour. Amazon. It already broke actually. I had actually long Amazon to 182. It already broke technically. So yeah, Amazon I definitely long to 182. Amazon longs. Meta looks like it hasn't broken anything yet. Yeah. Meta at short to 498. Actually, let's run the HLC to see if it already hit. Yeah. Meta at short to 498. Coin. Coin looks like it might break out again. Not 100% sure. Let's do this. Yeah, Coin hasn't broken anything yet. Oh, it did break actually. Did it? Yeah, it did break. When was this? On Thursday. Am I running this on the 4 hour or on the... How am I even running this? It's on 24 hour? Let me see. Yeah, it hasn't broken yet, so this is actually up here. Yeah, it hasn't broken yet. Needed to break. Coin, probably gonna keep pushing up. Googly Moogly on the weekly. Yeah, nothing on Google yet. Netflix. Netflix chilling. Yeah, nothing on Netflix. SMCI, probably on the weekly. Yeah, SMCI is probably headed back to, it already hit target actually. It already hit that 892 target, so. Yeah, we can adjust everything here because it already hit target. So, yes, run this like this, or like that. Yeah, we're looking for possibly a break of if 892, run this down to probably like 764 again, but nothing on SMCI. I would probably long SMCI. You close the daily bull trigger here. I'd probably long this at least back to 1050 and then second target 1200. So SMCI. Mara. Mara looks like get rid of this. Push this up here. Whoop. Oh, this one actually already hit. This would have been here. Yeah, this one already hit fib. I'm pretty sure this one hit fib already. This one, yep, already hit fib. Can't do anything with Mara. MSTR. MSTR looks like a solid long. Actually, let's see. What is the 4 hour? 4 hour, yeah. MSTR looks like a solid long back to 1816. Google, oh wait, Google already did. Google PLTR. What's running on PLTR? PLTR. Yeah, nothing yet on PLTR. It's still chilling on range. But PLTR does look like, nah, because if it closes a 4 hour perfect entry here, right? I'd definitely be interested in taking this back to 25 bucks even. PLTR. PayPal. Pretty sure PayPal came back in range. Nah, let's see, PayPal. Am I running this on the weekly? Yeah, weekly, there you go. Man, so many things on the chart. PLTR. I don't think it's broken yet. Oh yeah, it did. It actually just broke on Thursday. Yeah, it broke range on Thursday on the daily. What was the high here? Close 65.82. 66, yeah. Yeah, it broke range. Even though it says that, I mean, I'd long this. I look for PayPal longs to 70 bucks. PayPal. MU. MU's in the word, not MU already hit. BA. Pretty sure BA already hit. I don't think we can do anything with Boeing right now. That's been running. Never mind. Baba. Pretty sure Baba's gonna die right now. Yeah. I've been sitting on Baba for a while, just waiting for something waiting for it to do something. As soon as it breaks, right? 70.96, short this thing down to 65 bucks. So Baba, INTC. Oh, did this break the 4 hour? What is it running? What is this running on? 24 hour? Did it already break? On the fib. Yeah, you could short. Yeah, this still looks like a short to 39.83. I mean, you'd only be shorting it like $1 on ANTC, but still, Intel's still going down. ARM chilling. Clean Spark looks like it might moon to the upside. You need a break. Yeah, I think it's gonna move. I long this. I'd wait for the 4 hour to hit, but what is it? Clean Spark, I think is what it's called. Yeah, I long this. Yeah, it looks like a long to 24.52. That's actually a pretty good. Would be like a 25% gain. That's actually not that bad. Running it from here to here. 22%? Yeah, that'd be pretty solid. What about from after it breaks? After it breaks, you're getting a 60% run. That's not bad. I'm actually interested in this one just because I might actually break. That's a nice 16% gain there. So Clean Spark, where we were. Nike, I don't think I'd touch right now. I don't think I'd touch Nike right now, especially after earnings. I wouldn't touch it. Disney already hit. I think it already hit 216. Yeah, I wouldn't touch it right now. Reddit definitely wouldn't touch it. Reddit's gonna sink. I don't think it's making any money. Lululemon. Yeah, Lululemon already broke and hit. I think I had it on the weekly. Yeah, see? There you go. It hit right there. 410. You would have taken this short back on, let me see. What day is this? February 12th? February 12th. In the week. Back on February 12th. See, March 11th. Let's go to March 11th. March 11th, somewhere around here. Yeah, I would have probably taken the short here on like March 5th when it broke. It would have chilled a little bit up here to the upside, right? So for a couple of days, you would have actually been in the red. But as long as you got some good time, your target of 410 would have hit. Like I would have probably gotten a minimum 3 weeks, a month out. Actually, earnings is there, so I don't know. But as long as you would have gotten like 3 weeks, a month out, this would have hit. Target would have been that 410. So Lulu would have been pretty good hit. Snow. Was there anything with Snow? Yeah, Snow you can still technically short. It never hit, so it's going down to 149. It never hit that fib, so you can still short it to 149, I think. Snow. AVGO. AVGO on the daily. There you go. On the dailies, chilling. On the 4 hour. On the 4 hours, probably. Yeah, and the 4 hour probably hit. Let me see. 1, 2. Oh, yeah. Because your range would have been from here, 1343 to 14 whatever. So if you would have broken this, right, your fib would have been somewhere like right here. So, yeah, that would have hit. So now it's running on the 24 hour. Yeah. This looks like it's going to go, like it's going to drop back down to 1232, right? Just looking at the daily. The 4 hours bearish. Yeah, I think minimum short to like 1313 or something. Baba, AVGO, Adobe. Is Adobe a short yet? Am I in the 4 hour and the 24 hour? This is running on the Adobe. Nah, I'd long Adobe. I'd probably long Adobe from here up to 535. Yeah. I thought I was gonna drop. I thought Adobe was gonna drop a little bit more, but nah, I had long Adobe. It ended up saving itself a little bit. So, yeah, Adobe. I take this back to 536. I thought it was gonna drop a little bit more, but it never broke, right? So I mean, we have a range there, range up there, like that. Sure. Yeah. I'd long Adobe. As soon as the 4 hour closes, I'd probably long this back to like 535. I wonder what the percentage would be. Roughly around 7%. Yeah, Adobe looks like a good long. All right, I think I'm done. I went through a couple just to give you guys some sauce. Sound came back. Yeah, sound came back right here. Pretty sure it already hit fib when it broke, so range would be there. Would I long this? Actually, yeah, I'd long this. Let me see. Yeah, and range on the 4 hour was pretty good. Whoop. There you go. Whoop. How do I do this? Oh, there we go. Range was right there. Initial range was right here. Look at that. That was your initial range. And then as soon as he broke, boom, there it is. Right? You would have hit your target. You would have gone in more than likely on like right here. Thursday at from between 5 to I think 9 in the morning, you would have gone in and this target would have hit that same day. That would have been a really nice short on sound. But your daily range right now looks to be a little bit more. Looks to be down here. It's not complete yet, right? But this is your range right there. You know, I'd definitely be interested in taking longs here. From here all the way back up to 783, especially after hitting that fib. Wouldn't be surprised if this runs back like on the bottom and then tanks again. So we'll see. Sound. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for the day. Just wanted to give you guys some free sauce. That's early. What is it called? Oh, that's what the breakout strategy. One of the strategies that I have. Yeah, that's it. Just kind of wanted to show you guys what I do every day in the morning. I kind of just filter on TradingView, right, to stocks. I go down the list and I literally just look at maybe 30, 40 stocks and see where the whole market roughly is going to go to. That way I have like a, what is it called? That way I have like an idea, right, of what each stock is going to do. AMC, again, AMC closed the bear, right? Look at that. After hours, it hit fib 384 on Friday. I do think it's going to keep dropping, so I still think that it's going to drop to 384. But again, very, very simple. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.